Okay, so the next thing that we need to do, now that we have our Windows VM set up, just open up Firefox and type in code blocks. A very nice IDE because it comes with a compiler, which is amazing. Not a lot of IDEs actually come pre-bundled with a compiler. So go into downloads, download binary release, and scroll down, select code blocks, mingw setup.exe. Just go ahead and click on sourceforge.net link, and the download should begin by in and of itself in a magical way. Okay, so save file. The download should be pretty fast. It's not a large file or anything like that. It's like 79 megabytes if I'm reading this right. Well, let's say that it's 80 megabytes. Okay. Anytime. There we go. So just go ahead and click on it. Yes. And it's going to pop. Let me just go ahead and minimize the browser behind us. So just go ahead and click on next. I agree. Next. Install. And this is going to start. So this part shouldn't also take too much time. This should also be fairly fast, depending on what sort of hardware is your VM running. Okay, so it's happening, and it continues to happen. Theme song, something. Okay, it's still ongoing. Come on, race with the mouse to the end of the line. Almost there. Any moment. Anyway, we could have used different IDEs, but we don't really need to do much coding, actually. We just need to download the code, modify it a little bit, and then compile it. So do you want to run code blocks now? Yes. I generally don't use code blocks a lot. I prefer Eclipse. So GNU GCC compiler detected. That should be written for you as well. As I said, I generally use Eclipse, but for this sort of project where we don't need to do a lot of coding, it's not worth our while to actually download the compiler separately and then link it in Eclipse. And I'm going to just go ahead and tag this, so to associate all supported types with this IDE. So click on OK. Now, we're going to create a test project to see and verify that everything is working and functioning properly. So go ahead and click on Create a New Project. Select Console Application. Just double click on it. Click Next. Make sure you have C++ selected here. Click Next, and project title shall be Random String. Folder, just go on to desktop, I don't care. I just need to verify that the compiler is running, so I'm just going to go ahead and compile the Hello World app. So main CPP, and there's a small gear icon here with the green triangle. We just go ahead and zoom it in a little bit. There we go. And let's go ahead and click on it. Okay, so Hello World is printed out onto the screen. The compiler is working just fine. It's all set up and it's all merry and dandy. So that's all we needed to do there, really. Next, we're going to go ahead and download the keylogger from GitHub, pull it from GitHub, modify it, and then compile it.